Are you enjoying your bath? Huh? You enjoying your bath? Yeah, Jasmine was hanging around her water dish a lot. So I took everything out of her enclosure and put a big plastic tote in here with lukewarm water in it for her. She's happy now. You happy? You happy now? You're taking a bath? See, that resolved that, huh? Made it all better. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. You enjoying your bath? Yeah? You happy in there? Are you happy? Huh? You watching me watch you, huh? All you gotta do is watch your snakes and observe them. You can tell what they need or what they want different if you pay attention to them. But she was staying around her metal water dish, around the base of it, so I figured she wanted to cool down, so I took everything out. So now she's got a bath. And she's happy in it. You happy in your bath? Huh? You happy in your bath? Hi, Mama. Hey. Hi, Jay. Hey, what are you doing? You enjoying yourself? Is that what you wanted? You wanted to soak a while? Yeah? You all better now? Hi, Jasmine. Hi, Mama. So we're hanging out waiting for a big snake food order to come in today. Yeah, our winter snake food order, one of the biggest ones I get each year. You happy? You happy now? Hey, what if I come over here? You gonna follow me over here? Yeah, you gonna follow me over here too. Hey, you happy in your bath? Yeah, okay. You can hang out in there. I won't take it out until she gets out of it. That way I know she's done with it. I sound terrible. I got bad sinuses. Our weather cooled right down. You enjoy? God knows all parties grateful. I give all my big snakes mice for a treat once in a while, so they have something different to eat. Not like I just fed all my smaller snakes and I had all these mice left over. So I put Opal in here and let her eat them. It's a treat for them to have something different once in a while. I do that with all my snakes, even my great big constrictors. I'll give them mice once in a while, really large mice instead of rats. So it's like a treat for them, something different that they're not used to having all the time. There are a lot of little things you can do to show your snakes that you really care about them. I'm like that. I just feel like it's important to let them know that, you know, you don't expect them to eat the same thing over and over and over. Give them a little treat once in a while.